Here at Kindred, we do things a little differently. Our design philosophy is to modernize vintage vehicles, make it safer, more efficient, more powerful, without losing the spirit of that vehicle.
We break down each model into 100, 150 subsystems and figure out the best solution for that particular model.
Then we put all that knowledge back, documenting it via technology. That way we are able to reproduce the same result every single time. Safety is at the heart of every project we do here. We don't retain any of the old braking system. We take the latest technology in brakes and modernize that system so you have a safer vehicle.
All your modern conveniences are there, from power locks, power windows, media centers, cup holders, heated seats, but they still fit the original aesthetics of the vehicle. We have a modern fuel system, so when you pull into your parking garage, you don't have it filling with that fuel smell. So it might look like an old car, but it smells like a new one. Kindred cars have a modern drivetrain, be it electric or internal combustion. So it's going to be more powerful, more reliable, much more like a modern car.
We're just at the tip of the iceberg of the whole automotive industry, making a huge change over to electric. And so for us, we're at a point where we can utilize a lot of the EV technology that's being developed into vintage cars. So we end up with a car that's environmentally friendly, and the performance gains are really quite dramatic.
The Kindred customer is not going to be your hardcore gearhead. We are after the people who truly love the experience of driving and want a beautiful car that they don't have to worry about, that they can actually rely on and begin to drive immediately. At the end of the day, we're just not interested in becoming any other automotive company. We are really here to build a community with the goal of enjoying the ride and bringing joy to our customers.